Want to make an extra $1,000 a month from home in 2025? Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, these 5 websites are helping thousands of Americans earn real money online. And the best part? No scammy promises, just legit platforms. Let's dive in. First up is Upwork.com, one of the largest freelancing platforms in the world. If you can write, design, edit videos, code, or even do virtual assistants, Upwork connects you with clients who will pay you for your skills. You set your rates, build a portfolio, and can even earn tips. Many beginners start small and scale up to $1,000 a month within just a few months. Tip: niching down and getting great reviews is the key to long-term success here. Coming in at number 2 is Etsy.com, but not for handmade crafts. I'm talking about digital products like planners, resume templates, or even social media kits. You create them once, upload, and get paid every time someone downloads. People are making serious passive income this way. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Tools like Canva can help you get started with no experience. Next is Ucertisting.com, perfect for anyone who wants quick payouts. You get paid to test websites and apps by giving your feedback. It usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes per test and pays around $10 each. Complete just 3 to 4 tests a day, and you can easily hit that $1,000 per month goal. It's available in the US and doesn't require any special skills, just honest feedback. Fourth is Rev.com, a legit way to make money typing. Rev pays you to transcribe audio or add captions to videos. If you're a fast and accurate typist, you can earn $30 to $1.10 per audio minute. Many people working part-time on Rev hit that $1,000 per month mark just by dedicating a couple hours each day. Bonus: you can work from anywhere on your schedule. And finally, we have Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. But don't worry, you don't need to write a novel. Instead, publish low-content books like journals, planners, or activity books. Tools like BookBolt or Canva can help you design them. Upload to Amazon, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. Many creators are earning passive income from books they uploaded months or even years ago. Those are 5 powerful websites that can help you earn $1,000 per month online right now in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. I drop new videos every week on how to make money online.